This digital download listing makes over $2,900, which is approximately $35,856 annually for one listing, guys. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. And you can see the stats here. There you go. And it's only a 7-month-old listing. Now, guys, Claude revealed to me exactly why this listing is doing so well amongst the rest of the listings. And this is what you need to find Claude for, guys. You need Claude to help you explain why listings are doing so well, because that is where you find the secret to actually selling on Etsy. And actually, I'm going to help you understand this concept so that you can sell better yourselves on Etsy. And what I'm about to explain to you can apply to any niche on Etsy. So remember, get Claude, hook it up like I have. You can see it's on my Chrome browser. You can actually get it from the Chrome store. So just make sure that you do. It's very easy through the Chrome store, but you do need a subscription. But this Claude will reveal to you why some listings sell better than others in your own particular niche. And honestly, once you hear it, you can't unhear it. And then you'll understand one of the most important concepts on Etsy ever. So, guys, this is a birth month flower wall art, right? Basically, let me just explain. It's a customized, personalized bit of wall art. And basically, what it is each of these different flowers is a representation of the month somebody's born in. So, if somebody was born in April, then a daisy flower would be drawn. Okay. And so what you see in front of you is an image of different flowers, which represents the months of the family that they're all born in. And people do like buying this as a personalized gift to represent the family members and have it up on the wall as a sort of beautiful memento gift, family portrait that everybody can be part of. Okay. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. So this particular listing sells particularly well amongst all the other listings, but it has something very different that the other listings do not have. And Claude found it for me. Now, I've opened up Claude. Like I said, it's up on my Chrome browser. And what I'm about to say is, tell me why this design is selling better than other listings in the same niche. Now, you guys can do exactly the same and write exactly the same prompt and ask it for your own particular niche. So you get a better understanding of why some listings do better than others, because sometimes you think you know what it is. You might look at the price and think, oh, it's cheaper, or you might think, oh, they've included more things, more offers, more designs, or you might think the mock-ups are better, but you don't actually know. You're just guessing. But let Claude actually do the heavy lifting and then do the explanation for you. Let it be your research analyst, right? Let it be your consultant. Now, I'm just going to click the button and Claude is going to go away and do its thing. Now it's working on it and it's going to come up with a plan. There you go. And then all I need to do is approve the plan and it's going to go away and do its thing. It's taking screenshots. It's probably going to start taking control of my laptop, which it does. Okay, guys, drum roll, please, because this is going to blow your mind. And like I said, once you hear it, you can't unhear it. Now, this is what it says. The single biggest factor is that the imagery breaks the pattern. Nearly every competitor in this niche uses the exact same visual template, a soft pastel watercolor bouquet tied with a ribbon, sitting in a frame on a styled shelf. And then it goes on to say, in a search grid where every thumbnail blurs together, this one visually pops and stops the scroll. That distinctiveness is almost certainly the primary driver of its click through, and it's healthy. Now, this is unbelievable, guys. This is literally telling you, as an Etsy seller, stop looking at the competitors, those bestsellers, and copying them, because it's not working. Because 90% of people on the platform, they're just literally copying each other. And that makes no sense. Now, it goes on to say, strong, well structured image sequence. Beyond the hero image, which is the main image, the thumbnails show a smart progression. The artwork is self framed room mock ups, really good. A birth flower reference chart, okay. Premium positioning rather than racing to the bottom. Most competitors sell in the $5 to $18 range, whereas these guys are sitting at a 36.96. So they have a good discount, but in terms of the price point, they are not racing to the bottom. They're not trying to rush and become the cheapest. They're actually positioning themselves as a high quality, good pricing. Even though it's on the higher end, they're still getting those sales. And it goes on to say, trust signals are in place. It's a star seller with a 5-star rating, typically responds with a few hours, right? So there's good communication from the seller, but there is still room for improvement. Now, let's just test this quickly. Let's have a look and see if it actually does do that scroll stopping thing that I was talking about. So I'm just going to type in birth month flower, right? And I'm going to just look at the listings, and I'm going to see whether it really does stand out, because my eyes are not going to lie to me. Okay. So I'm going to say birth month flower digital. Okay. Now, first things first, it's right at the top of the page. So it's obviously selling well. But let me scroll down. Just let me have a look at some of these. Now, look, I mean, when you have a look at all of these listings, they all actually look the same, or they look very, very similar. Firstly, they're all in that watercolor style. And actually, the only listing that's standing out is from this seller. You can see it up top right. It actually looks different to the rest. So visually, Claude is right. It's stopping the scrolling. Now, this is what you have to think about when you're doing your particular niche. How are you stopping the customer from scrolling those pages, those many pages that they're just going through? What is different to you? So, look, it makes absolute sense, because let's say you're going for a niche, right? A particular, I don't know, wall art, and you're doing landscape paintings, and everybody's doing the same type of landscape painting. Now, if your landscape painting is in a different style to everybody else, then that by itself, by definition, would stop people from scrolling. And in fact, by that, would give you a higher chance of selling or converting, because you've actually stopped people from scrolling and they're likely to buy yours. That is just crazy, guys. That is something that people don't think about, because what people tend to do is they look at the bestsellers and they say, okay, if that is selling, then I need to do something exactly like that. Whereas actually, the opposite is true. Whatever people do, do the opposite, guys. That is mad. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.